मी काय केलं एसयूडी यूजीसीला काल टाकलं पण आता म्हटलं सेट काढून विदाउट सेंड टाकले टाकी पाठवली
हाँ मसाल सर
हाँ हेलो हेलो सर हेलो
हाँ करा सुरू करा सर सुरू करा ऐकू येते ना मसाल सर ऐकू येते का
हाँ हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग all of you. Today English department is organizing online Teachers Day program. Once again I welcome Honorable Principal Dr. Madhusudan Bachote sir, all students, colleagues, my colleague Professor S.N. Nole, I.B. Sheikh, and all. In the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we arrange every day, every year, on 5th September, Teachers Day. Now, in the effect of COVID, it has become difficult to organize face-to-face program. Therefore, for the first time, we have decided to celebrate this program online. Now, I request Professor S.N. Nole sir to deliver his introductory speech.
Hello. Good morning to one and all. Respected Principal Dr. Madhusudan Bachote, HOD of our English department, Dr. A.R. Masal, my colleagues, Professor I.B. Sheikh, and my fellow students. Today, we have gathered here for a special occasion, that is Teachers Day. On behalf of Department of English, first of all, I welcome all of you on this occasion. My fellow students, today it gives me great pleasure to say that Honorable Dr. Madhusudan Bachote, the chief guest of this function, is a very great and a respectable man.
Hello.
Expected my special welcome to Principal Honorable Madhusudan Bachote. Dr. Madhusudan Bachote is a constant guiding force behind us. So we celebrate every program, every function in the college without any pressure. So now here I request HOD of the department, Dr. A.R. Masal, please welcome to Honorable Principal Dr. Madhusudan Batsute by giving a bunch of flower. Thank you very much. So, here, now today the speaker would definitely enlighten us on this occasion, and I will only read here a very famous quotation of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, that is, knowledge is not something to be packed away in some corner of our brain, but what enters into our being, colors our emotion, our soul, and is as close to us as life itself. Thank you very much. On this occasion, I give all of you best wishes for Teachers Day on the behalf of the Department of English. Thank you very much.
हॅलो 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 मासाळ सर हॅलो
बोला
ते माईक म्यूट करायला सांगा. माईक म्यूट करायला सांगा. इतरांना माईक म्यूट करायला सांगा. लोंढे सरांचा माईक म्यूट करायला सांगा. लोंढे सरांचा. हॅलो लोंढे सर. हॅलो हॅलो
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
हा बोला सर.
हा. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना I request all the students or participants to mute your sounds. Only the speaker, when the name is announced, only that time the student should unmute and speak. For the sake of convenience, I request all of you, except principal, to mute their sounds. And once again, I request all the participants to write their names in the chat box. Now, thank you, Professor Bhosle sir. Now I request one of the participants, Jyoti Mandarkar. Jyoti Mandarkar, you can start your speech.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Same to you.
All of us. Start.
Yes, yes.
Good morning to the respected Honorable Dr. Madhusudan Batsute sir, loving and caring teachers, Dr. Arjun Masal sir, Navle sir, and Kate madam, and all teachers, and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to be here, share my views about Teacher Day. 5th September is celebrated as Teacher Day all over India. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. When Dr. Radhakrishnan became President of India, his students wanted to be celebrated his birthday. It was his wish that his students dedicate this day to tribute the teaching profession instead of celebrating it as his birthday. Since then, we celebrated this day as Teacher Day. Every year, Teacher Day is a day filled with lots of joy and happiness. On this day, we students get an opportunity to tell our teacher how and where they are special. To use teachers are the sources of knowledge and wisdom. They are like you, second president, who would or personality and provide and bright future. They impart important good values in use and transform use into responsibility citizens. Students all over the country celebrate this day to to pay respect to their teachers. Various com- competitions are organized in college, but this year we are not able to celebrate it this day and a large souls because of lockdown. Our teachers are taking tribute of our efforts to teach youth through online education system. They are doing their level best to save our one academic year. We are thankful to them for all efforts they are taking for youth on this beautifully occasion of Teacher Day. I take I take the opportunity to express how much we students love you all the teachers. I would like to extend my education for your invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you teachers for supporting use being with you. Use we will all make you provide in the year to come. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jyoti, for delivering speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. I appreciate your speech. Now I request Miss Supriya Kolekar to deliver her speech.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning, all of you. I honor to deliver a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Respected our chief guest principal, Dr. Madhusudan Bachute, sir, and our English department teachers, Navle sir, Mata sir, Sheikh sir, and Kate ma'am. As well, I know that we are gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th September. In India, 5th September is chosen as Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was become second president of independent India. After he became president, his students want to celebrate his birthday. Students asked to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. That time, he says that celebrate his birthday on 5th September on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is an important day for everyone. Teachers spend all their years in educating us and helping us become better human beings. There are play very important role in the student's life. I would like to express one thought on teachers. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Thank you so much and happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Thank you, Supriya. Now I request Sandhya Ubale to deliver speech. Sandhya,
Yeah.
Sandhya, do start your. Hello. Hello, Sandhya, do start your speech.
okay, perhaps she may not be in range. Sonali Mane, Miss Sonali Mane. इथे राहा.
स्पीकर बंद करतोय.
Sonali Mane,
Do continue, Sonali Mane. Hello, Sonali.
Sarika Babar.
Next speaker, Sarika Baba.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do start.
स्पीकर चालू केल्यामुळे ती गेला.
Speaker त्यांना unmute करायला सांगा मला.
My greetings to all the teachers.
Babar, start.
सर परत
सारिका
प्रिन्सिपल बचुटे सर. सर आवाज येत नाही का?
येतो की बोल
आवाज
की.
येतो पण थोडं खरखर
Hello?
होते. हा हा बोला बोला.
बोल बोल.
सारिका बोल.
Respected,
You start.
respected Principal Bachute, my greetings to all teachers present here. I am fortunate that today I have the opportunity.
Hello. Sarika.
Hello, Sarika. Hello. Sarika. What are you doing now? Sarika, try to what? Hello. Your response?
हाँ सर थोड़ा
आवाज
रेंज
खरखर होते.
प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्यामुळे.
Hello, Sarika.
हॅलो सर आता येतोय?
हाँ चल हाँ कर स्टार्ट कर.
हॅलो सर आवाज येतोय?
हाँ
येतोय
येतोय.
येतोय.
बोल.
I am honored that I have the opportunity to give a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day among all of you. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th every year. We honor our teachers for their never-ending guidance and support. Teaching is the
हा.
PS पाटील सर आणि भारत पवार.
Hello, Sarika. Hello.
प्रॉब्लेम आहे. हॅलो
हाँ बोल.
हॅलो सर रेंज प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याच्यामुळं
असू दे
कट होते
चालू कर.
मधून.
Continue.
You don't stop.
Requires dedication, commitment, and ability. A teacher is a leader who paves the way for students to take success on their way to life. Let us now this Teacher's Day is celebrated in the memory of a great teacher, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was indeed a great scholar and famous person who had experience of working in various schools. He was at the great peak in the teaching profession, was also the President of India. When people requested him to celebrate his birthday every year to remember him, he said that he wanted to celebrate his day as a day for teachers, and that is when it is now as Teachers' Day. Teachers play a great role in motivating our mind and guiding our thoughts. Teachers help us to develop our values and thinking. We learn from the ways and ideas of our teachers. We should always respect our teachers. Their importance in our life is incomparable. They are integral to our life and who should always cherish them. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Sarika. Now 5 minutes are remain there. Okay. If the time ends, we shall continue just after on the same link after some 5 minutes. Now I request Honorable Principal guide us.
आवाज येतो.
हाँ आवाज
आवाज
काहीतरी
थोडासा
करा.
येतो.
थांबवा.
म्यूट करा सगळे.
म्यूट करून ठेवा प्रत्येकाने.
सुरू करूया. ओके. Professor Dr. Arjun Masal, his colleagues, Professor Navle, Professor Sheikh, Professor Kate Madam, and all the attending participant teachers dear students. Today it is 132nd birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President of our independent India and the second President of the India. He was well-known educationalist, he was philosopher, he was thinker, and he was respected by all the dignitaries from the abroad because he was professor at Oxford University for teaching the philosophy. As one student said that his birthday is celebrated as the teacher's day because he himself insisted the students to celebrate his birthday as the teacher's day because basically he was the teacher and he always respected the teacher profession, and that's why he insisted all the students and community to celebrate this day as the teacher's day to honor the profession. On this occasion, we have to respect and pay tribute to all those who have paid their whole life to the education. Our first guru or teacher is our mother and father, that is our parents. They teach us in the childhood lot of things. That is, they inculcate the ethical things in our mind. And then our teachers from the school come, then teachers from the college come, and then all those who teach something, whatever it may be, all those are our teachers. It is said that the Sadguru Datta has many gurus because he used to say that I have learned something from someone, and that's why I respect all those who taught something to me. And therefore, on this occasion, we have to respect all those who have dedicated their life in the education. On this occasion, we will pay tribute to those dignitaries. For example, Karmir Bhaurao Patil, who spread the education in rural area by establishing number of schools and colleges. It is said that if Dr. Karmir Bhaurao Patil was not there, then many rural students could be in some other situation. They may not be educated, they may not be having the prosperous life. Similarly, Savitribai Phule, who dedicated her life for the education of the girls, she started the girls education movement in India, and because of this only, today women are having the good status. Similarly, Panjarav Deshmukh, who started the education in that Marathwada sector. Likewise, number of people are there who should be paid tribute on this occasion. So I expect all the students that whatever you learn with dedication, you learn it sincerely by viewing the dreams for the future. So if you see dreams with open eyes, then you can chase your destination with full dedication. That's why I would like to insist all of you. One thing I would like to tell you about the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We know Rabindranath Tagore was the first person to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature, but it is it is the thing of proud for us that Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature for 16 times, and he was even nominated for the Nobel Prize for Peace 11 times. So this is also a great thing. Nomination for the Nobel Prize in Literature or nomination for Nobel Prize in Peace is the great thing. And because of that, we must respect him and we must take the ideals which Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan laid down, and we have to follow those ideas. Then only we can see a bright future in our life, and we can make our India a great nation. So on this occasion, I wish again all of you very happy Teachers Day, as well as I express my best wishes to all of you. Thank you, Masal sir. I congratulate you and your students for organizing this Teachers Day celebration program on behalf of your department. I again congratulate all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You are always the guiding star to us, and you immediately permitted us and we arranged the program. I request all the participants to write their names in the chat box. I request Professor, I request Sheikh sir to deliver vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Professor Sheikh IB for vote of thanks. Today we have celebrated Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary as Teachers Day. I would like to thank first our principal, Dr. Madhusudan Bachute sir, HOD of Department of English, Dr. Masa sir, Professor Naule sir, Kate madam, and all other uh, professors who have joined in this program. Thank you, all of you. And I also would like to thank all the participants, students who participated in this program. By the kind permission of the chairman, I would like to declare that this function is over. Thank you. Thank you for cooperation.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, all of us.
Those who have not yet written in their names in chat box, they should write their names in chat box.